Sammy Kuffour, born in Ashtown of Kumasi, lived with his mother and grandmother. He attended Ashtown Government School, where Kofi Boakye, Otumfuo Osei Kuffour II, and former President John Agyekum Kuffour also studied. From an early age, he showed exceptional talent in football. One day, while playing in school, a new physical education teacher, Mr. Akatua, recognized his skills and appointed him school captain. Raised solely by his mother, Kuffour faced an extremely challenging life. He finished middle school or Form 4, but was unable to continue to high school due to financial constraints. During this time, he played for a Colts team and worked as a shoeshine boy to support himself. At school, he was known as Sammy Tuga. In 1988, Kumasi was buzzing. Around 150 young footballers gathered for rigorous regional trials. The goal? To pick just 18 talents who would advance to Accra. Among the hopefuls, Samuel Kuffour stood tall. Guided by his Colts coach, Stephen, Kuffour put in an outstanding performance. In the end, only 2 players from the Ashanti region made the cut, Kuffour and the late Kwabena Boateng. After the trials, Alhaji Gurusa approached Kuffour's mother with a proposal. He wanted Sammy to join King Faisal Club. Coach Stephen, not ready to let go completely, agreed to a loan deal instead of a full transfer. Now, there's a twist. Sammy's grandmother, who worked at Manhia Palace, dreamed of seeing him play for the mighty Asante Kotoko. But his mother? She always insisted that, if a chance to play abroad ever came, Sammy should take it. Soon enough, that chance arrived. Kuffour joined the National Starlets, and alongside Emmanuel Dua and Mohamed Gargo, signed with Torino in Italy. The three spent 2 years in Torino and represented Ghana at the 1993 Under-20 tournament in Australia. It was there that fate intervened. Bayern Munich scout Hamann saw something special in Kuffour and wasted no time expressing his interest. Kuffour and Dua joined Bayern Munich's youth side, though Dua was soon transferred to Standard Liège by Bayern's manager Richie. However, controversy struck. Manager Richie was dismissed from Bayern, accused of financial mismanagement related to Kuffour's professional contract. In the end, Kuffour's contract was handed directly to his mother, a fitting tribute to her unwavering belief in her son's future. From Kumasi dust to European glory, Sammy Kuffour's journey is a true testament to talent, resilience, and the power of family support. Germany's giant Bayern Munich became like family to him. Kuffour played for 12 years, winning 7 Bundesliga titles, 1 Champions League, 5 FA Cups, and a World Club Championship, where he was named Man of the Match and took home a priceless car as a gift in the presence of the late Kofi Annan. Kuffour attributes his career success to his mother's efforts to raise him and to selling family assets to enable him to play football abroad. His mother, Gloria Abanar Atia, passed away in February 2017. If you know Sammy Tuga, please tell him we're celebrating with him today. Tuga, like and subscribe to this channel for more similar videos.